Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share the best prompts that you can use inside Suno AI to create amazing songs, whether you are in pop, rap, Bollywood, or lo-fi beats. Suno AI, one of the most powerful tools out there for generating AI music, but the secret to getting high quality results isn't just the AI, it is the prompts that you give it to. So in this video, I will show you the smart and the easy prompt ideas that will help you control the style, set the mood, guide the lyrics and melody, and create polished professional songs. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. So whether you are making a songs for fun, content creation, or even for social media, these prompts will save you time and give better results. Now again, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come at suno.com. So you can either click on the link that is given in the description, or you can open your web browser and search for suno.com. Once you are at Suno, you will have to simply just provide your login credentials and log in into your account. Once you are on this page, you will see the create your own song option in the top right hand corner, but you can also click on this create option over here and then you will be landed on this page. Now this is the page where you can basically either create the simple audios or you can even customize your audios by giving it specific prompts. So here, instead of writing the basic prompts like make a rap song or try combining the genres and emotions, you can give some of the examples. Like I'm gonna give you these, like a sad lo-fi hip-hop song about moving on. The next prompt that we have is an upbeat EDM track about summer love, a calm acoustic song with emotional lyrics. So these are some of the examples and the prompts that you can give it over here. By giving both genre and the feeling, Suno knows what kind of beat and the voice to generate. So the pro tip here would be to add the words like gentle, dark, romantic, or energetic to shape the tone. Now the prompt idea number two is of telling a story. Suno works great when you give it a scene or a story. For example, you can type these types of prompts like a girl looking at the stars thinking about someone far away, a rainy night in the city remembering a lost friend. So this actually helps the AI build lyrics that feels more real and emotional. You don't have to write a full song over here, just give it the idea in the form of story, just like these examples I have shown you. Now the third prompt idea would be using the song styles from any of the famous artists. So if you want a song that sounds like your favorite artists, you just have to mention it in the prompt. So for this particular prompt section, I would like to these types of prompts that I can give you. So these are a song like The Weekend with dark synth pop, Bollywood style love song like Arjit Singh, Drake inspired chill rap with soft piano beats. So it won't copy them, but it will follow their general vibe and the sound. Keep in mind, you need to add the words like slow, trap, or emotional to guide it further. So you can use this formatting of the prompt in your uh, prompts basically. Next, we have the fourth prompt idea is to set the structure. So you can also tell Suno how to build the song. For example, you can give it like this, like verses, then chorus, then verses, chorus, bridge, chorus, intro with slow vocals, then drop into the fast beat. So you can say start soft and powerful, chorus should repeat twice, bridge with no drums. So you can give these types of instructions here, and your song will be more balanced and replay the value. So you can give this type of prompt as well here. Now you can use the location or the culture for the style. So you can try using the culture or the location to create any unique music. For example, let's say we have these prompts: African inspired beats with tribal drums, or Japanese lo-fi with koto sounds, Punjabi pop with dhol and electric bass. So this actually helps Suno to use the instruments and the styles that match your theme. It is great trick if you want something different from the regular pop or the hip hop style thing. So that's it. These are some of the best prompts that you can use in Suno AI to generate the music that sounds professional and creative. So remember, the better your prompt is, the better your song will be. So let me just generate the one song for you. Let's say I've selected the fifth prompt of mine. This is the prompt that I gave it to. Then click on the create option. Wait for some time for Suno AI to generate the response for you. In the right hand section, you will see your output. So you need to just wait for some time. Once you have received the audio that it has created for you, you can just click on that. You can start listening to it. If you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it, you can just remix it. If you want to know how you can remix your created audios, I have created a detailed video on this topic as well, so you can check that out on the channel. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment with your favorite genre or prompt idea. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.